Preparing for MRCOG Part 2 can often feel overwhelming. Multiple guidelines, vast textbooks, and limited time, and the constant pressure to cover everything thoroughly. What you need is not more material, but a structured, guided, and exam focused approach. The MRCOG Part 2 course by Excel MRCOG is designed to bring everything you need for the exam into one organized learning pathway, helping you prepare with clarity and confidence. The course includes a comprehensive reading library and module-wise summaries of key guidelines including Green Top Guidelines, NICE, FSRH, SIPs, BASH, and carefully distilled to highlight what truly matters for your exam. To support varied learning styles, you receive free access to the recorded teaching sessions, allowing you to watch, pause, revisit, and revise at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Your preparation is strengthened with a robust pool of mock questions, single best answers, and extended matching questions written in the exact style and difficulty of real MRCOG Part 2 exams, helping you develop exam temperament and accuracy as well. To make revision faster and more effective, the course provides memory aids and flashcards, enabling quick recall of high-yield facts, algorithms, and key concepts. Throughout your preparation, you are never truly alone. With 24/7 mentor support, you have continuous access to guidance, doubt clarification, and exam strategy support right up to the day that you clear your exam. The MRCOG Part 2 course by Excel MRCOG is built to be structured, guided, and stress-free, helping you cut through unnecessary reading and focus only on what delivers results. Prepare smart, revise with purpose, clear MRCOG Part 2 with confidence through MRCOG Part 2 course by Excel MRCOG.